What? Yeah, don't go anywhere. Oh shit, there's a car coming too. Holy shit. The room is still spinning. Oh yeah. Oh. Pretty toe tire.
Well, the cops asked. It can't be me. I got a flat tire.
Hey, I think your other tire's kind of gone too.